through Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. 30. Highs around 50. Low tide is at 11:12 a.m. Thursday and cover and snow was in the mid-20s. And river levels and the amount of ice coverage, recent precipitation and temperatures, and expectedly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly highs in the upper with highs up to 50 degrees in some areas. Miles per hour. Friday night, mostly buffering. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? The southern and western central and western Mohawk Valley and Schoharie County of eastern New York and the southern Greens Mountains of southern Vermont. When? Friday night through late Saturday evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult and potentially dangerous due to snow-covered roadways and reduced visibility. Additional details. Snow rates may exceed 1 inch per hour during the day. Forecast for updates on this situation. And now the hour of southern winds around light and variably cloudy. A chance of rain or snow after midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Through the early morning hours. What appears wet and cloudy. Here is traveling until temperatures warm shortly. Otherwise today. Central Middlesex County, eastern Essex, northern Worcester, and western Essex. As the precipitation tapers off, temperatures will fall below for the early morning commute. Here is winter storm watch information for the following areas in Maine, central Somerset, northern Franklin, and northern Oxford, and the following areas in New Hampshire, northern Carroll, Coles, Grafton, Watt, heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 inches or more possible. Winds could gust over 35 miles per hour as the storm exits the region early Sunday morning. Where? Portions of west central eastern Maine. Portions of northern New Hampshire. When? From late Friday night through Saturday evening. Impacts. The potential exists for snow that will bring periods of locally heavy snowfall, which will lead to rapid snow accumulations and extremely dangerous travel conditions. Travel will be very difficult due to low visibility and snow. This is no weather.
Well, that's almost it.
Wind Friday night through late Saturday evening. Travel could be very difficult and potentially dangerous due to snow-covered roadways and reduced visibility. Additional details: snow rate may exceed the northern Berkshires. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. Now here is the hazard outlook. A mile afternoon.
Now we're ready for the reaction for the tutu away.
Low tide is at 6:56 a.m. Thursday and 6:33 p.m. Thursday. Here are the 6 a.m. observations. At Bradley Airport, fog was reported. The temperature was 26 degrees, the dew point 24, and the relative humidity 92%. The pressure was 30.12 inches and rising. At Sikorsky Memorial Airport in Bridgeport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 30 degrees, the dew point 29, and the relative humidity 96%. The pressure was 30.16 inches and rising. And now for some observations for the remainder of Connecticut. Fog was reported with a temperature of 27 at Oxford. At night, with a temperature of 33. Areas of fog this morning with a caution as visibility may be low and highs in the lower 50s. Chest northwest wind with a temperature of 28 expected at this time. Highs in the at Westfield, fog was reported with a temperature of 18. At Worcester, it was clear with a temperature of 27. At Boston, through early Thursday, with a temperature across Long Island and New York City. Throughout the region. Finally, for the area waters. At New Haven Harbor, west. The sea surface temperature was 39. The following are coastal weather shore reports on Long Island Sound, if available. As of 6 a.m. at Egan's Neck. Wind was north, at 1 mile an hour. At Mount Sinai. Temperature was 32 degrees. Wind was west, at 2 miles an hour. At Norwalk. Wind was northwest, at 3 miles an hour. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York, Orange and Putnam, and the following areas in Connecticut, northern Fairfield, and northern New Haven. Patchy freezing fog remains, especially in the valleys of Orange and Putnam counties. The fog has been locally dense at times in spots, with visibilities at or below 1/4 mile. Also expect areas of black ice. Use caution and slow down when out driving through mid-morning. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut, southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Middlesex and northern New London, and in New Jersey, western Passaic, and the following areas in New York, Rockland and northern Westchester. Areas of black ice will be on untreated roads and surfaces. Use caution and slow down when out driving or walking through mid-morning. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New Jersey, eastern Passaic, western Bergen, western Essex, eastern Essex, western Union and eastern Union, and the following areas in New York, southern Westchester, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Nassau, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. With temperatures near freezing, expect patchy black ice, especially on untreated roads. Use caution and slow down when out driving through mid-morning. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut, northern Litchfield and southern Litchfield. Areas of freezing fog and black ice through the overnight hours. Lingering moisture behind the departing storm system is allowing for areas of fog to develop across the Mohawk and Scottery Valleys, Greater Capital Region, Eastern Catskills, Taconics, Mid-Hudson Valley, Berkshires, and northwestern Connecticut. The fog has been locally dense, with visibility under 1/2 miles at times. In addition, any untreated surfaces that are wet may refreeze as temperatures continue to fall into the 20s during the overnight hours. If anyone has travel plans overnight, use caution as visibility may be low and some surfaces may be slick or slushy. fog should begin to lift towards daybreak Thursday. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut, Hartford, Holland, and Windham. Slippery travel possible through early Thursday morning. As the precipitation tapers off, temperatures will fall below freezing across this region, with any residual road moisture or slush freezing, possibly resulting in slippery travel for the early morning commute. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
Alright, that's it!